Sutra of cubes. Depending on the specific and general techniques, cubes in Vedic mathematics are classified in the form of sutra. Let us see here are two sutras for finding the cubes. Number 1, Anirupena Sutra. Number 2, Yavdunam Sutra. Anirupena Sutra. It is very easily work on the 2-digit numbers. The formula of using this a plus b whole cube equal to, first we write in a line a cube, a square b, ab square, b cube, and just double it, 2a square b, 2ab square, and adding column wise. So we will get the answer. Here is an example of 12 cube. Here a equal to 1 and b equal to cube. B equal to 2. The first line a cube, it means 1 cube. A square b, 1 square into 2. 1 into 2 square, 2 cube. Here is 1. 2 ones are 2. Just double. 2 to the 4 to the 8. And adding this, 2 cube is 8. 2 to the 4 or 8, 12. And next, 4 to 6 and 1. So here is base is 10, therefore 8, 2, 6 plus 1, 7 and 1. 1728 is the answer. Example number 2. Suppose we have find the cube of 53. First we write the cube of 5, 125. Next, a square b, 5 square, 25 3 ja 75. And ab square, 5 9 ja 45. And last is cube of 3 is 27. And right here just double of it, 150 and 90. And adding these two lines, 27, 5, 9 of 4, 13, 5, 225 and 125. Right here 7, carry forward 2 and 5, 7, 13, 5, 18, 8, 1 carry, 23, 23 or 5, 28, 2, 12 plus 2, 14. 148877 is the cube of 53. Just one example more. 71 cube. 7 cube, 343. A square b, 49. AB square, 7. And 1 cube, 1. Double this, 14, 98. Adding 1, 21, 147 and 343. Write the last digit first. 1, 2 carry forward, 7 plus 2, 9, 14 plus 3, 17, 1 carry, 17, 7, and 35. 3, 5, 7, 9, 1, 1 is the cube of 71. This is the right answer. Let us take the second method. Second method of finding the cube is Yavdunam Sutra. It is a specific technique which can be applied whenever the number is closer to the power of 10. Power of 10 means 10, 100, 1000 and etc. One example is here 1003 cube. We have to find the cube of 103. The 103 is 3 more than the 100. It means 103 plus 3 into 2. Which one is more? Multiplied by 2. So 3 plus 6, 9. Right here 9. And with how much more? 3. 9 into 3. And last digit is 3 cube. Cube of 3 is 27. 27, 109. Right here in a line, this is the cube of 103. 27, 27, 109. Again, second example, 996 cube. This number is 4 less than of 1000. It means 996 plus minus 4 into 2. Each number multiplied by 2. Which one is less or this? And again solve this. Minus 4, 4 less than, it means minus 4 minus 8 is minus 12. Minus 12 multiplied by how much is less? Minus 12 into minus 4 is, and last digit is minus 4 cube. The which one more or the less? Here minus 4 cube is 064 bar. This is a very important technique in Vedic mathematics by putting a bar over the number, over a negative number. 12 4 ja 48. We have to write here 3 digits because the base is 1000 and 988. Write the 064 bar. It means carry 1 here. Here is 1000 minus 64. We will get the 936. Carry 1, it means remains 47. 047 and 998. This is the cube of 996. If we find the cube of 11 by this method, very simple example, shortcut. 11 is 1 more than the 10 multiplied by 2, and 1 plus 2 here is 3. How much more than 10? 3 into 1 more than, into multiply this and 1 cube. Write the answer 1 3 11 and 2 13. 1331 is the cube of 11. If we find the cube of 1001, the 1001 is 1 more than, it means multiplied by 2. Again 2 1 are 2 plus 1 3 more than, 3 and 1 more, and last is 1 cube. Here is the base is 1000. It means we have to write 3 digit. 1 cube 001, 3 1 are 3, 003, and 1001 plus 2 is 1003. This is the cube of 1001. One more example for negative. 97 cube. 97 is 3 less than the 100. It means 97 plus minus 3 and multiplied by 2. This is the formula, multiplied by 2. Again minus 3 is less and minus 6. Here is minus 9. Multiplied by minus 3, which is less and more. And last minus 3 cube. Because this is a formula for less. Minus 3 cube is minus 27. It means 27 bar. 9 3 ja 27. And 97 minus 6 is 91. The bar number is negative number. Carry forward here. 26. 100 minus 27 is 73. 26 9 1. This is the cube of 97. Simple. You can do and the cube of any 2-digit number, 3-digit number which is closer to the powers of 10, 1000, 100, etc. Thank you.